Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I'm revisiting a company that I have visited before. Chief Cases. My Chief Case video for my iPhone 11 Pro Max did well. Y'all enjoyed it, and I enjoyed doing it, so I figured I'd do another one for the 12 Pro Max. So let's get the unboxing so we can see how well this case does versus the last case I had. So kind of like the last case we had, this is a light up case. It's a broken Nike symbol there. QC, the off-white for Nike Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. Air Jordan is the first basketball shoe of Nike Jordan series and was born in 1985, so it kind of repeats itself down here at the bottom because it was the first pair of shoes with black and red color in the NBA. And again, the off-white trademark down here at the bottom. I got grilled so bad in the last video. Everybody explained to me that Off-White was a company, and I was talking about the style of case that I wanted. I understand Off-White is a company, and I kind of do that. But I was saying when I was on the website, you know, one color was Off-White and the other color was blue. So I'm going to install this bad boy, and we're going to see if it works like the last one did. Okay, snaps right in. I have access to my ports. It's not gonna light up yet. I didn't plug it in yet. It's got a spot for a lanyard here. It's got my switch, volume up and down rocker, power button over here. Make sure our volume rockers are good. Shout out to the subs. I always gotta shout out the subs. And shout out to Kia. Too technical for this sub widget. Let's plug this in. It's kind of hard to review light up cases with the lights on. Kind of like the last case, it will respond to voice. You don't have to be playing music. You know, it's basically going off my voice right now, and it goes to the beat of the voice. But let's fire up some music and see how well this bad boy works. So here I am on the Chief Case site, and they call this the Hype Air Case. At the making of this video, the Hype Air Case, or here it says Air Case, is $25. So it's 50% off, which I think it's 50% off all the time. I've never paid 50 bucks for one of these cases, but they make it for the 12, the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max, the 12 Mini, the 11 Pro, the 11 Pro Max, the 11, the XR, the XS Max, the X, the XS, the 7, the 8 Plus, the 7, the 8, the 6, the 6S, the 6S Plus, the 6 Plus, and the SE. Now, this also comes in white. I imagine with the white, most of the case would light up. Well, the majority of the case would light up. For me, I wanted something a little more subtle, but that might be the route you want to go if you just want to be the life of the party. I previously reviewed the Hype Beast case. I like that one. It came in 2 colors as well. The Spidey case is still there. With the older cases, they're going to only be for the older models. See, they're sold out of all the 11 models for the Hype Beast case. If you have a newer iPhone, you're kind of stuck with the Air case. But if you have an older iPhone, you can go with some of these others. This is a camera protector cover for the iPhone. And that's only for the 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Shout out to Chief Case. I've enjoyed them. They do 2 free day shipping, and they sell here in the US. I did get my stuff in 2 days. And this has been a Kimmy Quickie for you. I thank you for dropping by. I thank you for always supporting the channel. And as always, we're going to take this out with some tunes.